What up guys, this is Pastor Cano again. We're coming out with another video with JavaScript. So we're going to be doing today is user input. Okay, I already have, so we're going to be using forms for this. Already have, we're going to be requesting a first number for the user, second number and a third number, and then we're going to multiply those numbers right here. So this is how it's going to look like. So we got for the first number, let's just do a 2, second number is going to be a 2, and third is going to be a let's just do a 2. So that should give us 8, right? 2 times 2, that's 4 times 2, that's 4 times 2, that's 8, right? If you click calculate, it should give us that product of the three numbers. It should be just 8. Yeah, pretty simple application. Okay, so let's go into our text editor. So already have right here. Go back right here on the text editor, pan. So right here, I already, just to save time, I already have this done. I already have a main. So what we have to do is just add our style. Not like that. Let's see. Style. Let's get rid of this. And then we're going to do, we got class, going to be main. Main. And then we're going to do padding. Let's just do 200 pixels, and that should center our okay, this one right here, pan. Yeah, right there. Okay, so for now it's doing nothing because I don't have anything. Okay, all right, so let's go back to our text editor. So right here what we have, this is our class main, and then all inside main we have follow this form. We have our first number, fifth number, first number, like that. We got our input, it's going to be a type text. We have an ID, first number, name first, and then we just do the second number right here, same thing, and the third, and then we just do for every text that we have for first number, second number. So we have an input. So we have an ID, a second number, name second, same thing for the third number, and then we have a type text, and then we have a third number, and then we have the product of the three numbers right here. And then we have a input, this a type text, an ID result, that's the name, and then we have our button. Okay, we have a type, it's going to be a button, input, and then we have an ID, it's called result, and then we have name multiplication, a value we have calculate, which that's what we have for the button, and then right here that's where we add in the on click event with a function by the name multiply number. Okay, now we gotta do our JavaScript. Let's just do our script right here. Let's get rid of that for now. Right here we are going to do the following. So we're going to do our function. And then yeah, we have multiply number. So open closing parentheses, open closing brackets, curly brackets, and then inside here is going to be all the code that we need to accomplish our math operation. So let's just do let a variable a equals to document that get element by ID, and then right here we're going to call the first number to use that first ID, first none. Okay, we're going to get that value. Okay, And then let's just copy this line of code, and let's go to the next one, and there's going to be a third one. Okay, and right here we're going to do a B, and also the variable is going to be a C, and let's change the ID is going to be second, and then right here we're going to change to a third number. Okay, and now here we're going to do another variable. Just to simplify everything, we're going to call it product equals to A times B times C, right? So that's what we have. And then in here we're going to have a document that get element by ID, and then we're going to get that ID name right here, which is going to be result. Okay, that value equals to product, which is this one, and that should give us, let's save that and check our browser. Okay, this is the one, so let's just do 2 and 2 just to give us a 8. Let's just refresh that one more time. Let's just do 5 5 5, and that should give us 125. Okay, that's working really good. All right, that's pretty good. And also this is just adding the on-click event to our input right here, right? So let's just do another one where we're going to be adding just an ID instead of adding here. We're going to add event listener to listen for the click. All right, let's just do that. So right here, let's just do should we just comment this out? Yeah, let's just do that. Let's comment this out right here. Okay, so we don't need this one anymore. We don't need on click. Okay, let's just do right here on the bottom. So let's add an event listener, and let's call it a different function. Let's just function let's just do calculate function right here. Let's save this for now, so we can just take a look that there is nothing that is going on in our browser. Come on, where are we? Right here. So this is our browser. So now it's not working. If I do 2 calculate, there's nothing. There's no results. Okay, let's go back to our text editor right here. Calculate, it's going to be the function calculate, open curly brackets. Right in here, let's just copy all of this code that we have right here. We will need all of that just to save time. Okay, bam. Let's get rid of that. Cool beans. So we got this. We're using the same ID names. Then what we need in here, we're going to add. Let's copy this line of code right here. And right here we're going to change it to result. We have a result document that get element by ID, and we're going to get this result right here for our input right here. Let's get that, which is the product of the three numbers result. We're going to get that value right there. We're going to say equals to A times B times C. Okay, so we got that. Now outside of this function, that's where we're going to be using our event listener, but we're going to create another variable calculate calculate equals to document that get element by ID, and we're going to be using this ID. Oh, we do just the same ID, huh? So let's just do this result 2 right here, just to change it. Or let's just change it to ID calculate BTN. Yeah, let's call it calculate BTN. Let's just do that. Calculate BTN. Okay. And now right here, what we're going to be needing, it's semicolon, and then we're going to say calculate that at event listener. So right here we're going to be passing the event click. So we're going to be clicking on the button which is calculate BTN, and then comma, and we're going to be passing that function right here which is calculate. Calculate, and then let's save that, and that should give us our results. Let's go to our browser. Let's see, 2 2 2. That's not working, Let's see where we messed up. Let's go back and check our code. Let's see, we got result. Maybe it might be a typo. Document that get element by ID result. Calculate BTN, that's the ID. Okay, just checking result. Okay, value A times B times C. Let's calculate the document get element document that get element by ID. Calculate. Okay, and then we just do calculate that at event listener. The event listener click, and then we just do calculate. We're passing that function right there. So let's see what's going on. Let's just do 2 2 2. That's not working. Let's inspect and see we have one error right here. Let's see what's going on. So something is not right. Let's see. Let's see the error. Let's see. Has already been declared, so that's why. So let's just change that calculate. It's my variable name that is not working. Okay, let's go back to our code. So let's just get a different function right here, because we're using that calculator. Maybe just 2. Calculate 2. Yeah, let's just do that. Calculate 2. Maybe we're using that as a variable. I think it's the variable we have to change. Let's go back to our browser. Two. Oh yeah, it was that. Okay, that worked. So alright, so that's pretty much it. So we have a little bit of a hiccup on this one, but it worked. Alright guys, thank you very much for checking the video. So don't forget to like and subscribe for more videos. Alright, have a good night. Okay, bye bye.